everybody. Hi. Today we're gonna have another DIY and it's gonna be bejewel heels. Okay guys? So I bought this cute little number, right, at Rainbow, okay? And it was at $5. Can't be that, right? And these are the beauties here. Don't judge me. I got big feet, okay, guys? So don't judge me. Don't you dare judge me. So I am going to bejewel these beauties today. I am going to bejewel them. Okay, guys? So tune in and let's get it started, okay? So I got these jewels here at my favorite thrift store, Savers. And they all cost $2.99. So that was like a steal, guys. Imagine that, right? So I got chain, I got jewels, and I'm going to try to incorporate all of these into the bejeweling of the heels, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some stones and start sticking it freehand all over the heels, all right? It's going to be a process, but guess what? We can do it. We can do it. Okay. So you have your trusty 6000 E6000 glue. All right. So first thing first, I'm going to get a little trusty cover. So if these jewels fall, you know it's going to fall right in the cover. And these are some really small jewels, guys. Some really small jewels. I am going to try to put them on the heel. On the, you know what I'm trying to say. The heels. Yeah. So I'm just gonna concentrate here and try to add the first gem. I gotta take my time because I don't want to mess it up. Yeah. So you guys could use gems, you guys could use anything you want to use. You know, just make sure it's done nice and neatly. I think I'm going to put the glue. Ooh, the glue is oozing, if you can see. Yeah. So I'm going to do the first one here. Use a little bit of the top of it. And try to stick the gem on the shoes. Yeah. I should have a tweezer, but you know how that is. So I'm gonna so to make it more easier for me, I got a Q-tip, right? Because I want to make it as neat as possible. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the shoe first. Put a little dab. Yeah. Little dab. Then put a gem on. And I will show you it as it progresses, as we progress. Yeah. So this is the first gem. Was just a little bit too much glue on it, but we'll fix that. We'll fix that. So here I go again. Second gem. Put a little bit of glue on the shoe. And we're going to put a gem on it. This is your second gem. Okay? So I'm going to show you the progress as it goes. Alright, guys? I'll be back. So basically, what I'm doing here, guys, I'm putting the glue first with the Q-tip, and I'm taking my time and adding the gems one by one. And through the magic of TV, I actually started the other one so that I could it could be like the same design. You know, I don't want to like start one and don't have an idea of how I'm going to do the other one. So the best thing for you to do is put the two of them together, the two shoes together, line them up, and you know you do it from there. So this is how it's looking right now. Right? So it's looking right now. Okay. And the other one I started is looking like this right now. So I made sure I started the two of them just to get an idea of how I want to add the gems and, to get a good idea of where I'm going to place it. It takes a lot of concentration while doing this. So I'm trying to concentrate and get it right. I love to get it right on the first go. Not the third and second, no. Yeah, so I'm just concentrating here, putting the gems, placing the gems where I want them, you know. Yeah. Try not to make too much mess while I'm doing it. I want to do a neat job. All right. Yeah. Just giving you an update of what I'm doing. And this E6000 is no joke, guys. I mean, it's good for all crafts, for glass crafts, wooden crafts. Yeah. So I'm just placing the gems how I want them. I'm going to start back on the other one to make sure they're really, really nice and uniform, you know? Yeah. Just giving you guys a heads up right now. Keeping you guys posted on what's going on. Hope you guys are having an awesome, awesome Easter Sunday. Yeah, it's Easter Sunday. And yeah, hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are doing really, really good today. And I'm on to the next shoes. Okay, guys. So I'll check back with you guys really, really soon. So I'm back showing you the progress on the first shoe. Yeah, it's a process, guys. It's a process. But if you really, really want to do what you gotta do, hey, you'll do it. It just requires a lot of patience from you, and you know, put in the shoes, put in the stones on the shoes. Um, Try to do it as neat as possible. The Q-tip. I don't like the Q-tip too much because the Q-tip, it gives it might leave like some little cotton residue. So I don't like the Q-tip for that reason. But the Q-tip is really, really, really helpful. Yeah, it's really, really helpful. So I'm just putting some of the glue around here, and I'm gonna be adding the stones to it shortly. Yeah. I'm just gonna show you guys what I've been doing. Um, I'm just gonna like add the stones on the glue itself as neat as possible. Yeah. And if you guys can see what I'm doing, I want to make sure you guys see what I'm doing. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but I need total concentration when I'm doing these projects, to make sure I don't mess up. So I need total concentration. So yeah, I'm just doing what I gotta do right now. Hope you guys are loving this DIY. This is really, really calming and relaxing. If you really want to think about a lot of stuff, I suggest you do this kind of DIYs. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Get your mind off of stuff. Or what's happening with this world around us and the craziness and the corona and listen. Yeah. This kind of occupies the mind a little bit because you know what, you got to make sure you don't mess up and try to put it in the right place. So it's a little bit, it's calming, it's soothing, and yeah, just try your best to get the job done as neatly as possible, and do it fast before the glue dries, because when the glue dries, it's not going to be as pretty It's gonna stick on the shoes and it's gonna leave a really really nasty residue. So just try to do it as quick as possible before the glue dries. You know, yeah. Thank you guys for sticking around with me. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. Um, I really really love what I do, and I hope you guys really really feel it and feel where I'm coming from. And yeah, I love being here with you guys. This is just so awesome to me. You know, doing my projects and making it come alive in front of you guys' eyes. You know, so I'm trying to get it like this one here. So I have a little bit more to go, and I'll come right back. Okay, guys. All right, so it is a process, and I'm trying to stick the stones on the glue. This is the other shoe before the glue dries up. Yeah, your girl is doing her thing. Yep. Trying to get it on before the glue dries. Or else I am dead meat. Can't be looking busted outside, right, guys? I mean, you're doing your DIY, but you gotta look like, like you're somebody out there, right? You can't have one foot good on the other foot messed up now. You're gonna be like, girl, that's not a DIY. That is a DI no. A DI no, honey. So we gotta try our best to do, try our best to make the shoe look perfecto. Yes, guys. So this is the other one here. I'm sticking and still. I'll be back. So I decided to fill in the top part of the shoe, and I'm gonna do the other one now. The other shoe, the same design. Okay, guys. So I'm just showing you the progress as we go. All right. Progress. Oops. So I'm showing you guys a little progress on the second heel. I'm trying to go like really really fast so don't make the glue dry up on it. So I just actually sprinkled some on it just now. Yeah. Trying to go really fast so that the glue don't dry. You gotta go really really fast, guys, Yeah, so this is the second shoes. This is the progress of the second shoes. So I'm just putting some of the stones on the back of the shoes now. Trying to do it really really fast. And a really really good tip is you could wet the tip of your finger and you could pick up the jewel right on the right side. So you could just try to pick it up with your finger, right? Pick it up with your finger, and you could just stick it onto the shoes wherever you want it to be stuck. Wherever you want the jewel to go, you just pick it up on the shiny side, the gem side, so that you could put the flat of it on the shoe. Place it wherever you want to place it. So that's a little tip I have for you guys. Okay, I'll be back with the progress. Okay, guys, so this is the progress thus far. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some pieces of chain for the shoes, pieces of chain like right here on this strap. Put some chains like dropping down. I think I'll just do that real fast to seal the deal. This is it so far, guys. This is your Bejeweled shoes so far. This is the back. So I'm gonna be doing some chains now, just hanging down on this strap here. All right. So what I'm doing here is I'm cutting the chain cutting the chain from off of the packet with my clippers. I forget the name. I think it's a short nails pliers. Right? So I'm just gonna measure it up to make sure that the chain is the same length, and I'm gonna cut the middle, and half is gonna go on one shoe, and half is gonna go on the other shoe. Okay, so let me just measure it up. I'm gonna cut again. All right. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is just make a loop-de-loop of it. Make a loop-de-loop of it, and just like hang it right here. So it could be removable. You could remove it or you could leave it, your choice. So I'm just making a little loop-de-loop here. Just pulling it. So you got to pull it a little bit. And we have a little chain there. So let me just straighten up the chain a little bit so you can see how it looks. All right. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Just putting it right here. Make sure you have it even. You line it up. You make a little loop-de-loop. And we're going to pull it through the loop. And that's it. That's it. That's the end of our bejeweled sandals heels. And if I want to, I could also like go back and like drop some more of the chains like around and around. But I think I leave it like this right now. I think I like it like this, guys. So let me know what you think. This is the end of your DIY bejeweled sandals, heels. Yeah, this is it, guys. Okay, this is it. Let me just straighten up this here. And yeah, you get the point, guys. So this is it here. Thank you for tuning in. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you so much. And if you've come this far, if you reached this far, please like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. And hey, let me know what you think of my DIY glitter heels. Okay, let me know, guys. Let your girl know. Let your girl know. Okay? Have an awesome, awesome day. Blessings!